Hey guys, it's Susana Kitchen here. Today I make the red radish salad. Look at this guy, fresh one. We need to wash it and start to cut it. Cut it like this, slice. I add the melodia powder, black pepper powder, and also chops of garlic, 1 cloves, and 1 spoon of honey or agave, and a squeeze of lemon, half, and a bit of salt, and mix it. Look at that, it's so crunchy, and it's spray with olive oil. Mix it and let's try. So here's the salad that I make, red radish. So let's try. So good, so crunchy, so tasty, and also so refreshing and very healthy.